welcome back to another. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Are you struggling with too many meetings? You got not enough time to focus. Meet Reclaim AI, the smart calendar assistant that helps you take back control of your time, whether you are juggling meetings, deep work, or personal priorities. Reclaim automatically find the best time for everything so you can stay focused, balanced, and productive without the burnout. So in this video I'm going to tell you step by step about Reclaim AI, like how you can use it, how you can create account on this website, and how you can manage your personal time, your meetings time. Okay, so first of all you have to open this website. This is reclaim.ai. Okay, so after opening this link in your browser, you will get free to this website, and this is the overall layout of this website. On the front you will see this header menu like product, team section, resources, pricing, and enterprise. Okay, so that's the overall layout of this software. Okay, so Reclaim is like they're saying that 395 hours of focus time user every year, like 7.6 times more focus time. Okay, and 60% less unproductive context switching. So first of all, I will show you how to sign up. So in order to create an account, you have to click on this get started button, and after that you have to log into this website with the help of your Gmail account. Okay, so I'm going to agree and sign up with my Google account first. So remember, Reclaim AI is totally free of course. There is no hidden charges for this. Okay, but if you want to get some pro feature, then you have to purchase the membership. So I'm going with this my Gmail account for signing up at reclaim.ai. So my account is created, so I have just to check for these options for the, because I've created this account for the first time. So I will click on this continue, and I will connect my working calendar so that it can check my like priority time as well as my meeting time, or the you can say that breakfast time, lunch time, dinner time, and my holidays as well. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. So I'm going to give access to my all the calendars. So that's how my Google calendar is connected with this. So I'm going to proceed with this continue. So I'm going to use it just for personal use. I'm a student, let's say. Okay, so we are going to use it for proactive mode, like for moderately busy calendars. But if you are a business person, okay, so you for meetings, for heavy calendars, you can use this reactive option. So I'm going to choose 16 to 24 hours a week. So I'm going to click this continue, and again continue, and here you can add the email of any of your member. So I'm going to skip this and I'll click on this continue. So that's how all my basic account is set up on the Reclaim AI. Now I will show you how you can add your meeting schedules, how you can add your priority time, how you can add your important task. Okay, so I will follow this guide. Let's get started, and let's add our focus time, the time at which we don't want any disturbance like the meetings. Okay, so here you can add the focus time, and you can add the working hours, or you can say personal hours, and here you can add the description. You can set it to publicly as well. So I've used this for proactive 16 to 24 hours. So I'm going to click this save. Okay, so that's how I have added my focus time on my calendar, like what hours, at what hour I want to be focused. So let's set your hours of the meetings. Let's go to the bottom home. So this is home time zone. Here you can add your time zone. If you are doing traveling, you can also select the traveling. This is my time zone, Eastern time, New York. Here you can add your working hours, okay, meeting hours, and personal hours. And if you want to add a custom category of your own, like you want to add holidays or something like this, you can add this with the custom hours option. So, and you can also add your customized habits, like you can want to add for the, you have a time for the lunch, you want to add a time for your like sports, you can add everything from this option. Okay, after that you can also add or create task like fill your focus time with intentional time for to do. Okay, like you have a meeting, you want to add a task for the meeting, you can also add for the meeting task. So here you can write the name of meeting with CL. So this is the task I have added. Okay, so yeah, now you will click on this create button and it will create a task. So this is all about Reclaim AI, how you can use the dashboard and how you can add the basic setting like your priority time, your focus time. You can add multiple tasks as well, and it will keep on arranging with the help of the AI and will notify you. Okay, so that's all about Reclaim AI. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel.